Hello students. In this class we'll see LBA for real numbers. 3 marks questions. It's a 2025 LBA paper. 3 marks question we'll see because we have covered 1 marks and 2 marks already in previous classes. If not seen, please go and check my YouTube page, Venugopal JP. There you find the solutions. Let's see third marks, 3 marks questions, and I'm not going to solve the regular questions if they are deviating from the textbook, means some kind of uh, what do you say, difficult questions, or you can say twisted kind of questions, then I'll be solving that. If straightforward, it's if it's related to questions in the textbooks, I'm not going to solve them. See, third main, find the if the HCF of these two numbers is 9, find LCM of these two numbers. Means you know already numbers is HCF into LCM, you can solve that. Okay, so 306 657 is A and B, HCF is 9 and LCM is, you have to find that. I'm not going to solve this. It's a straight question. Okay, let's see this one. This is again a textbook question. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. It's a composite number, they say. How means 7 into 11 plus 1 if you take common out. 13 into 78. 13 into 78, it will become a big number, but 78 we have a more than one factors. So it's expressed in, see, 13 into 2, I can say 2 into 2 3s are 2 9s are. 39 also has a factors 3 into 13, so it has more than two factors, right? So number has more than two factors, so it's a composite number. Understand properly? If what is called composite means if it is having more than two factors, then we say it's a composite number. Okay, say number has more than two factors, therefore composite number. Given is composite number. Clear? Let's see the 40th. 40th is same as 38. LCM of two numbers is given. HCF they've asked instead of LCM. So this is also same. This is important. What I mark in circle is important. What's composite number? Which among them is the composite number? 41. Composite means just now I told if a number has more than two factors, it's composite number. Which among them is composite means 24 is composite because 24 is 2 12s are, 12 is 2 6 are, or 2 into 2 into 2, right? 2 to the 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 you have to make it. Okay, so that's covers 41, 42. Okay, 42 is important question because from the question we cannot understand what is to be found, so I'm just solving it. Find the largest number. Please make a note that when in word problems, when they ask largest number means it's a HCF, least number means it's a LCM, highest maximum length kind of words comes means HCF always. The street lights means signal lights question is always a LCM. These are some clues I'm giving you. So 42 find the largest number means required is a LCM here. So you find LCM of what is that 438 and 606. I'm just giving a clue here. So you just write last at the end. The required number is the LCM. Okay, what it comes is after solving. Okay, what is comes largest number, right? My mistake. It's a HCF. So HCF what it comes is around 6. It comes. Okay, there is a clue largest number. Please catch that, and you have to find the HCF because HCF is highest common factor. These things I'm not solving. Prove that they are irrational. They are there in the textbook. Similar ways you have to follow these problems. You need to practice them. If you're good at one problem or two problems, try to solve one or two. That's enough. 50th one. There is a circular path around the sports field. A takes 18 minutes to drive one round. B takes 24 minutes for the same. Suppose they start at the same point and at the same time they go in the same direction. After how many minutes they'll meet again at the same point? Here there is no clue that whether you have to find the HCF or LCM. So please understand these questions are important here. So you have to find, I just told in few minutes back, the street light signal light is a LCM. If they start at different times, the different signals in the same circle, what time they'll start again means you have to find LCM. Similar question, it is here. 50th, you find the LCM of 18 and 24. So 18 and 24, if you find LCM, 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 3 3s are 3 4s are, right? So 3 1s are, I'll say 2 2s are 2 1s are. So LCM is equal to 3 square 2 cube 9 into 8. How much it comes? 18 and 12 or 24? 18 and 24, right? 50th question. Because in the part they have given us 12 they have taken, that is wrong actually. 72 is the correct as for this 18 and 24. So therefore your answer, they'll meet again after 72 minutes. That is 1 hour 12 minutes. Right? 72 means 60 minutes plus 12 minutes. 60 minutes is a 1 hour. So you have to find the answer like this. This is important question. 50th one is important. Let's move. According to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, this also we have seen in 1 marks question, 2 marks question also. Just express 40 as primes and find x, y, z. Okay, this is also important only. So you can say I'll solve that. Sorry. 51, right? 51, I'll say 40 is 220, 2 tens are 2 5s are 2 cube into 5, 40 is. So 40 they have given x to the power y into z. Therefore, on comparing, we get x is equal to 2 because 2 is in the place of x, y equal to 3 and z equal to 5. This is important only. This is also important. I marked one more point. This is also important. And this is also important. Okay, here what we found is, see, in the 50th we found LCM because it will not talk about least, maximum, highest, lowest. But clue is, if something is different things are starting at same time and when they do meet means it's kind of LCM only. The 52 second sum, 50-second sum, the length and breadth of the rectangular field are given so and so. Calculate the maximum length. Check out. They are given as the hint. Maximum length. So you have to find the HCF here. Remember, that's a clue here. You have to find HCF. Clue is maximum. So HCF you find, and we are done. Next, a sweet seller sells these two Kaju burfis, 420 burfis and 130 Badami burfis. She wants to stack them in such a way that each stack has the same number of burfis, and find the least area of the tray. So remember here they have confused us giving the least area because, see, what is the number of burfis that can be placed in each stack. Don't go with the least word; it will confuse you. When they're stacking burfis and badam burfis, Kaju burfis and badam burfis, the least tray they should use means maximum burfis they should put. When they put maximum burfis in one tray, number of trays used will get reduced, right? So here, don't go with the least word given in the question and find LCM. That is wrong. In other words, you have to find how many more burfis, maximum burfis can be placed in the tray so that we used least area of the tray, right? When you put maximum burpees in a tray, least area will be used. So you have to find here HCF. Please remember HCF of what? 420 and 130. Here 147 and 56. That is the answer. Okay, I'm just giving a clue. I'm not solving completely here. I'm just giving a forethought for you so that you can attempt yourself and understand what needs to be found when in word problems. Okay, thank you.